Hey Modern Fragrance community, welcome to part 2 of the Perfumery School series. In my last video, I gave you a little introduction and spoke about the Givaudan locations in both Paris and Singapore. In this video, I'm going to move forward onto the Grasse Institute of Perfumery. Grasse is a town on the French Riviera, north of Cannes. It's known for its deeply rooted perfume industry dating back to the 1700s. There are 3 perfumeries located in Grasse. Gallimard, established in 1747, Molinard in 1849, and Fragonard in 1927. Grasse Institute of Perfumery was established in 2002 by the French Trade Union of Fragrance Manufacturers. This institute offers a number of course options including long-term, short-term, and online courses. But for this video, I'm going to focus on the more competitive degrees and credentials. For Grasse Institute of Perfumery, that would be the extensive international technical degree of fragrance creation and sensory evaluation. Some of the things that they'll teach you in this course are understanding and using the ingredients commonly used in composition by Grasse, the history and chemistry of natural and synthetic raw materials, vocabulary, recognition, and classification of fragrance groups, structures, discovery, modern processes, creating accord, composition, genealogy, blending, and evaluation. They'll cover modern analysis techniques like gas chromatography and mass spectrometry, and of course, international regulations on fragrance and cosmetic products. It states that this course will last for 18 months from January to December in center, followed by 6 months of internship after the school period. And this fragrance industry internship can take place anywhere in the world. This course is extremely competitive with an applicant limit of only 12 students chosen each year. The first step in the process is to write and send them an email application containing a detailed curriculum and a cover letter with a minimum of 2 pages. The next step is an assessment in person or on Skype. The package will contain a test of calculation and logic. This will take 1 hour. A test of creativity around fragrance, which will last another hour. 2 sets of olfactory recognition, which will be 2 sets of 10 raw materials. An interview with the perfumer and/or members of the teaching team. In a case where the test takes place outside of Grasse, an additional interview over Skype will be done with members of the teaching team. Upon successful completion of this course's final exam, you'll be issued a certificate of International Technical Degree in Fragrance Creation and Sensory Evaluation. I was actually lucky enough to speak with a former student of Grasse Institute, and this is what he had to say. For more information about Grasse Institute of Perfumery, follow the link I provided in the description below. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.